How to organize all of your travel logs in Notion, neatly organized in a database. So you have the perfect overview with all of your important documents by just pressing one click. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using the Usave Chrome extension. Whether it's an image, a PDF, or an email, you'll never have to type it manually again. Let's get started.
Usave.
A quick introduction to the Usave extension. First, you need to create a database with the fields you want to fill, like expense amount or date. Then, you open the extension in your browser and add your database. Next, click on the Detail View button. Here you see, for example, the properties of your Notion database. You could now manually fill them and save them to Notion. The database will then appear in your database with the fields you filled. Since we selected web page content, we will also see the content of the email on our page. But of course, we will make use of the AI features to do that automatically for us. So, let's start with an email that contains the flight information for our trip. There are 4 flights in the email, spread out in the email body. To save them, we open Usave and click on Bulk View because we want to extract several entries. We check Auxiliary Prompt, as well as start date and time and press Extract Entries. Then, the AI extracts our flight into a table, which we could now double-check to make sure the entries are correct. Then, we simply press Save All Entries to store them to our database. We can watch how they enter line by line. Since we have a date field, we can also see them in our Notion calendar for a better overview. Then we go to the next travel event. This time, it is a single flight. We open Usave again, and this time select the detail view of our database. Then, we simply press Autofill to get all of the properties automatically. We double-check again, select to append the attachment if we want, and save it again. The AI has extracted expense type, currency, flight schedule, expense amount, and number of persons. But of course, you can add more properties if you want. Next, we have a hotel booking confirmation that we want to add to our database as well. And again, the AI will find all of the properties we defined somewhere in the email body. You simply press Autofill again, wait for the results and save it to Notion. But of course, the information has to be present somewhere for it to work. If there is no text for the AI to analyze, you can also select Screenshot. Then just make sure the information is in your current view. Next, we have an event for a Super Bowl viewing. Of course, we will include this in our log. From here on, it is the same process. Autofill and save. This time we need to attach the PDF since it contains our ticket. This will be saved as a file object inside our database page, so you have all important documents in one place. For the next item, we don't have an attachment as confirmation. So we will save the email content to our database page in order to have all relevant information like booking number or pickup location. But of course, you could also add those as a property in your database, and the AI will be able to extract it as well. That's it, guys. This is how you quickly organize your travel logs in Notion, where you can of course group and sort them according to your needs. Of course, the features of the Usave extension are not limited to travel planning. We will cover many more use cases, but feel free to get creative. See you in the next one.